Hey, Roger. Yeah, just fixed all the technical difficulties. Because there's no stream without them. How are you doing? I bet my camera isn't working. Because it's not. Yes, it's not. Great! Hang on. We can fix that. There we go. That's my lovely face. How are you doing? It's not the right screen. Let me close this. Yeah, I had to fix my PC in the morning, so everything is different currently. Because my graphics card was like burning. So what will we see today? Well, we see some level design, definitely. And we also see what we have done code-wise so far. I also made my layer brush, which I will probably do on screen a little bit more. Because the scale is off. And no, the 1080 I have in my computer I work on. Which I might soon replace with the 3080. I think that's the one I still have laying around. But it's air cooled. My 1080 is water cooled, which actually was the problem. Because it was missing water. So it decided, we can have a look, to be a little bit warmer than necessary. Yes, so my temperature was at like 110 at the hotspot, which is way too warm. Yeah, I will keep on going with the layer brush till we have more people in and then we see some gameplay. Well, 110 is actually too hot for coffee. You just burn it. Yes, definitely. We will click our way from the main menu, or through the main menu. Then we will have... we start the first mission from there. And then we play, this is the first mission. Then we will get into the car, drive over there, kill those people. And then the mission is won. So there's a lot of stuff going on today. But I need to change the scale of the material. Wait, how was it? 0.5 would be bigger. But there's a lot, Roger, there's a lot. It's definitely worth staying around today. I think we make the big reveal at like 4. That's not what I wanted to do. I just wanted to have a look. Because not even doing anything? Or do I need to go this direction? I really wish there would be a preview. Yeah, that's not what I wanted. I probably need to do... Alright. You code away. What are you coding currently? And what was the issue with your... Ooh, look at this. What was the problem with your stream Saturday? It's a more important question. Just thought, oh, DevRow's not here. No point in going on for longer. Hours enough now. So we have the third one in. Really, that's everything? Paint. Alright, I mean... It's an odd... Oh no, it has no animation. But I just created the layer info. There we go. Is it getting lighter? Alright. This tool strength is not weak enough. Alright, I will wait for you patiently. Okay, that was epic. For everyone who heard this right now. I have two streamers running currently, Code Red Games. Oh, let me shout them out. And then we change the music. Code Red Games. Oh yeah, wait. SO. Code Red Games. He's making his 2D Dark Souls.
So yeah.
I'll play around with the sound while we're here.
Yeah, Unity asset store is great. I bought some assets. I bought a lot of icon assets actually.
And we have the Captain Coda. It's getting coffee. So the fun part was I just hear Code Red Games saying, "Oh my god." Then you hear Captain Coda saying, "What's going on?" And then the riff sets in from the guitar. That was cool. Who makes clips of him getting coffee? It would be cool if this would like be a live view for a few seconds. So you wanted some relaxing music. We can do that, actually. Trance is relaxing. Happy EDM is relaxing. Any wishes? Drum and bass. Shadow, it's your call. Just do some. Okay, we'll go with trance then. I think it makes sense that I keep this part a little bit historical. Yes, that's the new brush. I made it like in half an hour. That's looking pretty good. I need to do a little bit more detail work because as you see it's very clean. So the question would be if I can basically just plop in finished materials instead of those, right? That I would drag in a material. Well, we can actually try this. I probably have a material somewhere. Materials. No. Even if I have to break and reassemble it, if I have a more complex material than this and this, it would make my life easier. They probably need some sort of material function? Yes, of course, I'm a Blender artist. This will all get in there soon. It just was for testing now, because if it works, right? It's the good part. I can just add new layers if I need them. Oh, those roads are off. Let me manage those. Oh. Yes, those are my splines, right? Where's my rotation thingy? Oh, that's doing that, alright. Cool, yeah, I can't manipulate them. No points. Stop. Well, maybe nobody will notice. Oh, yeah. I can fix this later, probably. Yes, so what kind of other... Yo, Shady, how is it going? Yeah, Shady, do you know the secrets of the JavaScript? Great. Would you be able to script me something for my stream layout? Hey Kirk, how's it going? Can you script me something in JS? I want a counter how long I've been on this project already. So it would count the days from the day where I started and compare it to the current date of the PC, which would be enough because it's always up to date. You know? So that I have a little number with dates on the project. And I should be able to implement that because there's no way to do it via stream whatever I use. What is it? Streamlabs. But I can implement JS script. You know? If you have questions about this topic, please wait for my social media team. Alright, so we have this, we have this. We need the metallic and the roughness. The asphalt. Yoda script. What did you eat? That's a more important question. Because you can do a lot wrong with food. Roughness. Yes. And roughness. Yeah, we have our roughness map. Yeah, Cock, how are you doing? How was the food? What did you eat? More important. Now he tries to figure out what it's called. So that's the metallic, which should just be 0 in most cases. Ooh. Thanks for the sub. Cock, say thank you. 12? You gifted 12 already. Holy fuck. Oh my god, it's going on. Rye bread. I need to Google this. I don't know what rye is. Rye. Roggenbrot. That's so basic. But yeah, it's German. You see that? Pork chop. So are we going like proper Haxen? Because there are multiple. Well, that's not what I call a pork chop, right? That's a proper one. That's how you eat your pork chop. Yes, I actually didn't click the one with potatoes. Hello, Sven. We're talking about food today. That seems to be the topic. Thanks for the sub. 2 months already. It's one of those streams, is it? I don't know what BC stands for. I mean, before Christ, yes. Base color. Oh. Hang on. I figured something out. So... let's hide. We can go with the... oh. Just set the metallic to 0 and tell everyone who is questioning that to go f themselves. Alright. That was quick. Where did you send it? Which DMs? It's a one-liner. Thank you very much. I will implement it till Wednesday. Oh, Kassler. Well, Kassler's not pork shop, but let's go on. Yes, Kassler is also awesome. But there's so much you can do wrong when it's really dry. Or it comes out really dry. You can actually see this is too dry. That's a good one. That's a good one. That's good then. That's really good. That's how it needs to be, right? There's so much to do. Did I add a new layer? No. Do I need a new layer? Probably. I can add some grass. Right. Can I? All of them. Can I do this? Yes. Nice. All right. Grass. Oh yeah, today is a big reveal. Because usually you see me coding, doing map stuff, but today we'll look into the coding. And I show what's done already, what's the state of the game, what can we do, what can't we do. There we go. Streams in the background are so fucking loud. Hang on. Nope. Oh, Red Kevin is streaming. I just saw this. Let me give him a shout out because he's not here. Red Kevin Games. And then I shout out Shady. Because maybe we get a funny clip.
Why is this?
I won't reveal the secrets.
Oh, it needs to be -2, I think, to do with the thing that I was thinking of doing. Super weird.
Let's see, Shady. Let's see.
Oh my god, that is adorable. Yeah, so what I like about this one is that it has,
See, you have one fun clip. T-Grass Plane 01. Grass Plane. Grass Base. Golf Plane 01. And then T_grass. Oh yeah, grass is written with double S, that's why I can't find it. That makes sense. There we go. And a little bit of greenery probably looks pretty good. No? Can actually do this. Paint. Why is it not here? Will I crash the engine again? That's the question. I mean, I don't know why the material is. Alright, alright. So far so good. Okay. Doesn't have layer information. And I accidentally dragged it on this one. Which needs some fixing then. This part is, worst case, I can just automate this. There was this one quote from Red Cabin where he said something along the lines of, I don't feel like an adult, or I'm not really an adult. And we simply realized no one of us is. Right? I mean, what is society expecting from people our age? I mean, we're pretty much a wide age. But I think I should have a family by now or something. Here I am, making video games. And that's okay. Probably much more fun than having children. Yeah, right? Who gives a shit? I don't have a material for asphalt. I wanted to make the roads cool. Now what we need to do is make a material. I mean, let's do this. Texture sample. Oh, sorry. I should be able to drag them in, right? Handmade textures. That's a good one. There we have the color, there we have the normal, and that is probably the roughness. Yeah, check out my YouTube channel. I was told to advertise it at any given moment. Alright, I never UV unwrapped this. Because I'm a professional. Cool. What gives? I'm a professional idiot, yeah. Absolutely. Only one capable of outplaying me is myself. That's the sad part. The fourth raw of robotics? It sounds sexual. The fourth law of robotics, wasn't it? Are we talking Asimov laws? I just can't come up with 3. Yeah. Yeah, I think it was Asimov who came up with those. Was it that no harm to humans was the first one, right? No, the second one? Shady, that's a dangerous game you're playing. You should be able. Okay, Shady. Thanks for sharing this. Well, can't we just transcend beyond this? Just be like, you know what? Robots are just omnisexual. Omni and agender. Yeah, I mean, it would be the simplest solution. I mean, there are not many people who actually want to have sex with robots. And if I look at my experience with people using computers from my IT days, right? I don't want to have people have sex with robots. That's true. We're not liable for any damages that the chatbot might cause. That was not the right click. No, you know what? We take the same one because that makes it look really good. And this is how you eat a Big Mac. Yeah, I don't want to have people around who have sex with the robots. Not because I judge them for having sex with the robots, I really don't care. But because I know how people treat their computers. And I know that they can't formulate a clear sentence. So they are not capable to talk to a robot in a clear sentence. If you work with what is it called? ChatGPT? Or the GPTI? How often do you rephrase stuff? And I don't want to rephrase stuff while having sex. You know what I mean? One wrong sentence. One wrong sentence and you basically have fists in the wrong hole, you know? Oh, that looks good. I really need to re-unwrap this. Don't be worried, the robot is not turned on by you either. Oh yeah, there would be a whole IT department just listening to people that got stuck somewhere or have it stuck somewhere. That reminds me of this one. Do not fist Android girls. Ease. Wrong whole new adventures. Bees is going places. He knows the drill. He knows how it goes. I think that's the problem. You get fluids where you don't want them. It's a piece of electronics. No? Yeah, how do they actually do this? They're like sex toys for under the shower. Yo, there are people in the weirdest stuff, right? But how do you waterproof a fucking Buttfuck Master 3000, right? I mean, of course they are waterproof. Somehow. Alright. Yeah. Yeah, Shady. Yeah, it is actually, yes. Yeah, you are able to, that's true. But damn, see, then you can't repair it by yourself, and that's when electronics costs multiple $1,000, which, let's face it, a good robot will cost, then I want to be able to repair it myself and switch parts. Speaking of switching parts, the European Union now wants to make a law that your batteries on phones need to be accessible. Which I, as a lawyer, would answer, they are accessible, you just need to have the skills, as Shady said. And then I would push them to have the same attitude towards electric vehicles. You're like, why don't they need to have switchable batteries by yourself? Why do I need to have an expert do that? And now why we're here, Smart UV. File, export, FBX. Road placer. Well, then we just managed to get everyone to agree on USB standards, despite the fact thing didn't want. That is true, but if you have the rights, you also should have the, what's the word? English, please. Responsibilities. With great power comes great responsibility. Yeah, after you f up, you still can bring it to a repair shop, and they will be like, "Oh, for fuck's sake!" Growth replacer. Please don't be screwed. Oh, well, that's still screwed. Let's try this again. Click, click. That was not what I wanted to click, not even close. Landscape. Why they below Earth now? No, I don't think it. Still think it would be an accident, because if you go there, right, as a police officer, and you find someone dead in front of their car, clearly electrocuted, people would go like, "Oh yeah, he tried to repair his car and touched the wrong nipple." Manage splines. All segments. ECD underscore roads, please. Clear. Yeah, looking good. But it's a big but. Probably want to have the thingy somewhere else. That is true. You need to work with people to really understand how stupid people are. That's something I took off my IT experience. Alright, I didn't change the height, that's the problem. And people are really, really, really fucking stupid. And the funniest part is, if you go out of IT and in a different career, you become as stupid. Because for the last 4 weeks my work account was telling me, "Hey, your password is running out." So I did it like on the last day to realize I can't change my password because the IT didn't have the option for me, so they never clicked "can change password." So my account will be banned on Monday. If the IT forgot, I wrote them a mail. If they don't say it never expires, I can't log into work on Monday. Because I, of course, had to wait till the last day to do this stuff, right? It's just what we do. What the f... Oh shit, where's the spline? Oh shit, there we go. PTO? What is PTO? Post-traumatic operations? Maybe. Who knows? Pay time off. Actually, yes, I could just call and be like, "Yeah, I'm kind of feeling kind of sick. Don't know if I'm sick tomorrow. I take a day off," and they would be like, "All right, have a wonderful day. Wherever you go, we don't care." So actually, I can have 2 paid days off a week. But there's some weird rules, like I can do it on Monday and Friday, but I can't do it on Friday and Monday. Oh yes, we don't have like, it wouldn't be sick leave, I would just not be there on this day. It wouldn't work. It's really, I have a great amount of freedom in my current job. It doesn't have to be sick, I can just call and be like, yeah, I take a day off. Yes. No, not T. I want to have the path. I need to change the material of the path. Path. I know there are like some neat little stones. Yeah, let's take this. Put this in there. Put this. What is this? Ha. The f is H stand for? Roughness? I mean, 8 would be the height map, but it's the height map. Oh. Then I also need a concrete one. This. Please. Roughness and normal. And now we can go to the paths. We can change this to concrete. And we can change this to path. Then we go back in here. Think about what we have done. Cause we did the same fucking issue. Fuck. So mesh, remove the doubles and not unwrap. export it. Have a replacer. So first of all, we can get rid of this shit, right? We don't need this right now. Why? Re-import with new file. Path replacer. Now we go into the modeling. Yeah, let's just put it front. Yeah, always back. And now, why did I do this? Alright, yeah, it fits. I mean, it's a little bit too grande. But we can fix this with a texture coordinator. Just go down to 2. Yes, but I'm not at this level yet. I mean, it's concrete right now, but it will be muddy. I'm currently working on that, by the way. It looks really superb. The f is this one doing, huh? Leading up to a parking spot? Oh, well, then just off-road for you guys. Give me that spline and... Don't know why the f I can't move this. Oh, because I'm stupid. Okay, cool. I also can drag this out. All the new fun new tools we have. I am in landscape mode. But if I hide everything, like every... You know? Like if I hide this, I can't see them. Those little grappling points, which allows me now also to fix this. Oops. Yes. If I hide them, I can't see them. That's truth. It's facts. Slowly it's taking shape. Yes. So now, because of user wishes, I think I will go for smoke. Then we have a look at what's here code-wise. What can we do in the game? And then I will add the mud, which was a wish from the chat. Mud, dirt, stuff. Smoke time already, yes, that was quick. That was really fast. That's what she said. I will be right back. I crashed my engine. Off screen. Great. So am I. Restarting Unreal because it crashed. Cool story. Alright. Let's check how much we lost. I hope not too much. We lost like everything. Great. That's saved, right? Yes, we have to 4 layers. Give me a second to look this. Oh, f off. Cool. Alright. Give me a second, I need to check if the other ones are still... I mean, theoretically, right? We ignore that... It's locked. No. Will not accept this defeat. What? Hey, maybe come right in the right moment. What if I just paint somewhere randomly? Oh, he deleted the layer info. That's the issue. So yeah, all the drawing I did is gone. But we can fix this later. What we are here for, right, Mavis? You need to stay around now. Fuck you, Roger. I had a crash. Alright. Yeah. Mavis, you need to... No. Mavis. Don't run away. It's a crucial moment of DevRow history. He's just gone. That f. And then he gets talked by his kid into playing Lego blocks. I give him like 5 minutes tops, which allows us to re-import the The assets for the roads. Oh, they're still around. Re-import with new file. Replacer. Roads replacer. Path replacer. And we re-import this one with a new file called Road Replacer. Let me just go into the selection. Place both of them somewhere. Then we go into modeling mode. And we place the new pivot in front. Tap that. Then we have this one back. Then we pivot this one also to the front. And we accept that. GPU crashed. Yay! I really love this. It's really fun. Cool, so we won't replace the roads for now. It happened twice. Not good. Not good. No, no, no. Thanks for doing nothing. And that's why programming a game takes years. I guess. Landscape. Oops. Paint. Mavis has 2 minutes left. Let me save this. Well, is it morning for Mavis? What time is it? Let me check. It's 10. It's 10. 10 in the morning. Well, it's like that should be it. He should be have his workout in, his yoga and his meditation already. Yet wasn't this bad yesterday? That's the odd thing. Where's the flatten thing? Let me just fix this corner because I'm annoyed by it. Rush fall off is 0. Can we make it teeny tiny? So satisfying. So satisfying. Save. If you haven't followed my YouTube channel, now's your chance. Alright, let's just start. It's Mavis Laws. Save. Yes, I have a YouTube. It's in the chat somewhere. Feel free to join Discord. Save first. I saved. Everything is saved now. Are you all ready? Let me show you its features. That's our main menu, which will be pretty in the next. It's a skeleton game framework. It's a version. This version 2023-201. What we have right now is the options menu, which we will slowly fill over the course of the programming with different stuff you can affect. There's not much in yet, but it works. Then you can go back. And you can also go in the mission overview, where you see the missions we have currently. But what you all are waiting for is the new campaign. Here you have the mission description, a short picture, a map that will eventually be filled. We have a short overview, probably screenshot, stylized. Change equipment does not work, but the UI for that is done. This will also be a little bit more centralized. You still have a little bit of background left. But I'm not good at widgets yet, so we need to live with that. I'm learning, and then we can start the mission. And this map should look familiar. We can grab this character, we can send her around. And see what roles she has. She is a scout and a operator. She has a lovely picture. Hey Tina, I'm just showing off my game so far. So if you can get rid of shop titans for a moment, stay here. Ah. Alright, you lurk away. So you have the equipment, the ammunition, how much ammunition she has. The feature, the items she's carrying. You can watch. What we also can do, we can't move this vehicle because we need a driver. Now we can move it because there is a driver. We can even send the second one in there, which is represented here. They also can leave. So we can slowly drive up there because the speed parameters are not set. And then we can get out of the vehicle with left click. Yeah, we can kill people. It is indeed, yes. It's a hybrid. It became a hybrid. It was planned much more static, but I think the capabilities of telling a story are much better in an RTS. And as we know, I like telling a good story. So if I have all of them, should be the case. We have one! And for now we can go back to the main menu and look at our credits. There we go. And that's what we have so far, if I didn't miss anything. Or we can actually also start a second mission, which is not much except blocking out in some roads in the camera. Yeah, that's how far we are right now. And that's pretty neat for like 4 weeks. Yes, so if you want to follow the progress, throw me a follow. You also can have a look at my YouTube. Oh, 4 minutes ago, rough night 86 followed. Thank you very much. Don't know if you're here or had a shout out somewhere else. Or if I missed the comment. Chat message. But yeah, welcome. Hope you enjoy your stay. So let's hope it doesn't crash again. What do I was about to do in this one? Yes. Those are the pathways. They get concrete. And they get concrete again because it was wrong one. Alright, yes, right. I forgot to show that. Dragging. You can select multiples, you can select single units. The full RTS. Let me finish this up first. Yes. Yeah, if you drag over units, you can see them in the bottom right. You can also double click and just select the infantry. Yes, tab to switch units. Shift tab. So much! There's so much! Shadow. So much to show. So yeah, we have a lot done. A lot of framework. We should be capable to... I really wonder, right? I need to cut this part out. White def. I need to cut this part out, which means you cut it out. And then next month we have a look how much it changed. Watch the video and then we check. The framework is starting to work. That's oddly optimistic. But yes. Why does this look like sh? Is it so odd? It's not ×2. I re-imported them, so they should actually look much better. Let's just try this again then. So we do it like that. There, Roger, there's the link to my YouTube. You'll also find it in the description of my stream. Somewhere. There's like a neat little new button. Because I changed my buttons finally. Being all professional and stuff. File, export, FBX. Have replacer FBX. You. Oh no, let's. Yeah, I really need to delete all of those at some point. Because they're right on my desktop. That's the road placer FBX. Re-import with new file. You have replacer. And you are new road replacer. Now they look better. Other ones still don't. What we can do is this. Do not crash. There we go. I fixed this one. Don't know why this is here. There we go. All right. That thank you goes to Shadow. It's actually trans. Waste 6. I'm pretty sure you have more than enough 6. Actually, the Captain Coder said that he thinks that's really funny that you can pay me in cigarettes to do stuff. God bless, coming from the guy who never fails to tell everyone that he doesn't like religion. Alright, let's try to layer brush this stuff again. Are you giving away our code like that, huh? What the fuck was I about to do? Paint. Just painting again. Hello. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's true. Okay, I think I slowly get a grip of all the map stuff. It's good. I will put some trash here. think I can remove this white thingy now. And we maybe make some concrete slabs in Blender. Put them there. We still have like a separated area. Need to put the fence further. Oh, that's the one that's everywhere. But asphalt. So Roger, what are you coding currently? What are you working on? What are the new features? Why did Instagram yesterday tell me to like a video of you I already liked? Questions over questions. I know, right? The people, I told you, that's the reason. I was probably playing some Lego blocks. That's why it told me. Recording a video, for instance. What is it? Burning buildings? Recently it was building buildings. Probably time to burn them down. The square piece. Yeah, Roger, when is your release idea? What do you think? Do you think you will be releasing something? Right? End of 2020, but... Oh! So much work. Yeah, it is, right? Yeah, you know what? I will just reach out before you. How about that, huh? I will quit my job, work on this 16 hours a day. Get like the most decent publisher deal. Well, you see, that's why. How many hours do you put into your project a day? Rough estimate. See? So I have a little bit of wiggle room there, right? Because in the weeks I put in like 7 to 8. And on the weekend, 16. Thanks, Sven. What are you working on? Still your bike? I was playing Hogwarts. It sounds like you regret it already. If you need help to get off it, right? I know some experts can help you. Let's switch map for now, so it saves the map details. Cool project right now, so we are doing 6 weeks to make a game. Oh, right. Yeah, what's the game about? Do you already have a plan? Or did you just recently start? Or did you tell me already and I forgot? Then I apologize. We were pushing really hard to get like the first playable gameplay version, framework testing in. So my mind is slightly foggy. After doing the same widget yesterday for 8 hours. 8.5 hours. But it's done. .3D free roam adventure collectathon third person. Yeah, just add a suited white guy and you have Slenderman. Free roam adventure. You will be back in 30 minutes, alright. You enjoy, Roger. So that's the vibe I'm getting from that. But it could be a much more cooler setting. So what do we need? Wow! I don't know why it's crashing all the time. And I can't repair that on stream because it probably involves a lot of googling. Good thing is it should have saved everything. Yes, it did. Underwater, see? It's already called. Turtle collecting something. If you run out of time, the shark will eat you. How about you clean the ocean? Just an idea though. A turtle collecting plastic straws is probably really funny. And it crashed again. Great. Yeah, I would go with the turtle cleaning the ocean. Because then people think you care for the environment. And it will be positively received. So I think it has something to do with this, right? Landscape component 10, 14. Gives out map warnings. Welcome back. Hello. And let's get something like this and make a 3D model out of it and just place it along here. Good thing I did this already in the planning. Whoop whoop. Actually wanted to copy this. There we go. Into the lurking. Yeah, you do the refactoring. I will do the cross promotions. And yeah, let's just add a bevel. But what we also can derive from here, right, is a fence. Like a mesh fence. Really simple one. Because I'm pretty sure I have materials for that. And we put it here. Hey Shivak, how's it going? How are you doing? How's life treating you? Ah. Dead. Ew. Disgusting. Yes, there we go. Let's align this correctly, which I clearly didn't. I just off by like him. Yeah. It should fit. Here we have some fencing. Fence pole underscore. It's underscore. Cornerstone. Oil. Put some material slots on this bad boy. We can export. And take a break. You mesh. And because we think ahead, 2 material slots for that. We just needs one what if we fine with this? Actually, can use it in two different ways. Probably reducing draw calls. I guess. I don't know. But so far the go-to solution was, yeah, just slap an nanite on it. And 0, 1. Or filling my water cooling for the graphics card. That also helped by optimizing the game. No, it's not lagging. Getting tired, need more coffee. It's just the things, the stuff. Can also go to bottom, I think. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, cool. Just checking if the scale is alright. Actually not. Oh well, it is. Probably need to upscale all of those. Welcome back, Shady. Where have you been? What have you done? Like it? Oh, Shady. I'm pretty sure you just can feel pain from being from disappointing someone if you really value their opinion. Do with that information what you want. Which one? Well, if you don't give a shit about the opinion of somebody, they can't. You don't feel any pain from disappointing them because you don't give a shit. No? Know where I'm getting it. Create, rename, and this. If you don't care what your father think, nobody else does. Because I'm pretty much on Artie's opinion about you. Why is there just one? Well, that's something, not supporting a war. What the f is going on with this? Alright, because I'm stupid. With the segments. Actually, let me tell you something. You're quite smart. Never forget that. Ah, why did that crash again? I really need to make a save of this error message. Recently I had to tell my team lead I'm not gossip type. I started and she asked, why didn't you say something? And I said, because I simply don't give a shit. No one is talking about your office stories. Why are you talking about theirs? Which was guessed right in the blue, but was effective enough. Yeah. And it's unbelievable how many stuff I just don't give a shit about. It's also like, why don't you have an opinion on this? Because I don't give a shit. Holy f***. It's like legalizing weed. I don't give a shit. Why is everyone asking me my opinion on that? Do it, don't do it, I don't care. It doesn't affect my life. There's so many topics where people are fully involved and can't grab the concept that I don't give a shit about most of them. Yeah, support the right things. Don't give a shit. You don't give a shit. So fucking what? Not like I ask you. No, if somebody tells me, oh, what's your opinion on legalizing? What's your opinion on Unity versus Unreal Engine? But are you more a Godot type? Huh? Are you writing your own? So you don't give a shit? I think I get you now. And maybe you get me now. I don't give a shit. I don't care. Maybe we should start something like this. Because people are involved in so many topics they don't know shit about, right? That's the next point. Most topics they talk about they don't understand in the slightest. One of them is a war crime, Unity. You know what's a war crime? Vegan chocolate. I had vegan chocolate because I got the vegan chocolate bars for free. And they're so disgusting. They taste like they just took some cheap ass cocoa powder and forced it together somehow. But on the way they forgot to add taste. It's so disgusting. Don't do that. If you ever are confronted with vegan chocolate, tell them that's a war crime and I will not hesitate to shoot you. So in other news, yeah, I don't get the appeal of Godot. I have some screamers. Yeah, if someone reaches you vegan chocolate, you blow in your whistle, you punch them and run away. Alright, I wanted to build a fence actually. Right. Landscape manage spline. Create. Rename. Fences. So we put one here and we put one there and we probably want to put one here. Can fix this later. Yeah, vegan chocolate, I tell you. The wrong one. It is just something I want to say. You think I won't fix it? I hit the wrong button. Time for smoke! No, not for go for smoke. I will be right back. Ah, see, that's a good thing. Shadow's currently refactoring all the stuff that started like that. I will be right back. And I'm back. Shadow, I just said that you're refactoring. Because we also say stuff like, oh, we can fix this later. Alright. If I don't misclick now, it can work, I swear. We are going places. This stream. We are going places. Unibase? What's wrong with the Unibase? Like the Unibase? Oh shit, I forgot to make coffee. Well, I'll leave you alone then for a moment. Coffee is the most important meal of the day. I didn't drop anything in case you heard that. Also get myself one of these out of the fridge. Those things are awesome. They're basically like liquid cocaine. I start my Saturdays with those. Because despite the fact I could sleep more, I tend to sleep less. Noise suppression for what? There's winter? When I move? No, that's because I move so quickly. Damn, you're right. Yeah, we'll add a noise gate. I'm sorry, okay? Actually not. Grow up. Like the segments. Right, I wanted to import the cornerstone again. Because apparently that's something we do all day now. Fence 01. Hold on. Okay. Now. Now we added the coordinate. Well, that's slightly too big. Yeah, it's way too big. What the f is happening? Yeah, actually, I don't need all of those. That's a good point. Because that's... Oh! Just need a straight one here. Next question is, oh, actually quite. Alright. Be right back. There are two streams in the background, yes. Sometimes you can hear them. Well, it's just one by now, because the other one rated the same one I had open already. It's the Captain Coda. A stream you might enjoy.
Yeah, the orange bar atlas is going to be the stamina. So our scale for our X is going to be our value dot current divided by our value dot max, and we gotta cast this to a float. Okay. So when we render it, it's gonna render it that way. And then we also want to update our
Okay, if this is such a big deal for you, then I understand. I guess. I mean, you should check him out. Tell him I sent you. I sent you there to learn. Because he's actually a teacher. I can also raid him later. What the mother god is that? What? Maybe, just maybe we start somewhere. That's what I thought. That's the. Yes, he indeed is. Because his streams are cool. He is famous. Yes, his streams are good. I mean, if you go with his coding stuff, he's doing a really good job. He's pretty chill. And he's not making like a project, but he is making multiple projects and teaching along the way. Is he Swedish? I don't know. I think he's from the US. What the motherfucker's name is? Why is the scale so off? First of all, there are multiple problems with this model. Hey, Stone Monkey, how are you doing? Fence replacement. Oh, well enough. What's going on? Well enough doesn't sound good. Import with new file. Well, things are going pretty well. I had a few rough months, but we're back on track, back into projects, back into work. Can't complain. It's a replacement. The f is this spline doing? The f is wrong with this? Kill spline. Kill. Oh. I don't know. I have no clue what's wrong with this spline, I swear. Because this one pretty much works. Huh. What if I put in something else? Wait, the other spline was also off, so it might not be problem. Maybe there's a different problem I'm not aware of. Fuck are you? Let's just try this one, right? This segments, and then we add the fence here. Fence 01. Oh, I have no clue. Oh, let's just restart the engine then. Oh shit, we have like 30 minutes left. Let's see. Escape, manage spline. One. Try it like this. Nope. Somehow the scale of the spline seems to be off. But I don't know why. Let me just try something else. Like cars. And way too big as well. Put them on 0.5, they should work. A little big. Fuck those blinds. Let's go on with the layer brush then. We can color this a little bit. Show the power of the landscape brush. Nature textures. River pebbles. Sand wet. Phew. Ugh. Oh, that's great. Grab those. Ah. 1, 2, 3. And then we sand wet. And this is how you add a new material. It's the most basic way to do it, but if it works, it works. As I said earlier, I can also automate it so it will take into consideration the height of the landscape and the angle of the cliffs. But we don't need this for now. Most of the maps are city or rural. River pebbles. That's the wrong one. That one. And that one. Give me that. Right. Do I have some sand? That. Ooh. That's quite harsh. Probably need one more. Let's get some wavy sand in. But why, Shady? Why? Why do you need a custom DB for your Twitch chat? I don't get it. Oh, okay, yeah. I can accept that. Yeah, that's a good idea, Shadow. Why does it even allow this? They have two of the same name. Up the edges. Yeah, but about ugh. Asphalt. Oh, is it concrete? Yes, it is. All right. Oh, because I'm drawing on the wrong layer. Oops. There we go. Much better. Right in here. Like 20 minutes left. Yeah, you also have a great week, Roger. Catch you on Saturday. This time for real. Change. Intent and Damn. Hmm. Let's save and try the splines again. Last 15 minutes. Segments and add fence. I really have no clue why the splines are like this. I can draw them in, figure out later. Something we could do. Till they behave. Welcome back. What if we just cut the corner here? Oh, let's try this again. That doesn't look correct. I mean, it looks like a nice modern office building. That's not what we're going for. Hmm. Oh. There we go. Found the issue. It should take the fence off the road. It's shame mode. Slowly but surely. So now with the new layer brush system, making big leaps forward. Let's find someone to raid.
When the pathologist cut open the abdomen.
Yes. How many people are we? 8. It's alright. So let's raid Grumble. Grumble of... Wow. Yes, it is indeed. Yeah, that really went by ungültigen Namen. Okay, /raid Grumble of books. There we go. So, of course, at the end it crashes again. I hope you enjoyed my stream. I hope you have fun. I hope you learned something. For instance, that crashing is no reason to stop. I will now figure out why it's constantly crashing. I guess it's just a graphics update. So, I see you all on Wednesday when we do Blender stuff. It is indeed very deep. So, yeah, that's about it for today. I hope you had fun. Hope you learned something, as I said. So we have a few seconds left. If somebody wants to say something, it's your chance now. If not, I will just click on right now. Nobody says something. Alright, I see you all. Hi and bye. Render 10:10. Wednesday, 10 PM GMT +1. Then we can have a talk. That's when I do Blender. Alright. I see you all next time. Bye bye.